The second question that we have is an important question, and you should remember the result of this question which we will get. We have been given a battery of EMF E and internal resistance small r, and there is a resistance R attached over here. We need to find out the value of R for which the power through this R is maximum. And in the second part we have been given that the power obtained through R is same for two values of R, that is R is equal to R1 and R is equal to R2. We need to find out a relation between R1 and R2. So let us begin with the question. Let us find out the power through R first. Whenever there is a battery with an internal resistance, it can be replaced by this system, a resistance with R in series with the cell. Now let us find out the current in the circuit. The current in the circuit is equal to I. This can be written to be equal to E upon R plus R, because R plus R is the equivalent resistance of the circuit. Therefore total EMF upon the equivalent resistance gives us the current. Now the power through R, let me write it as PR. This will be equal to I square R, that is equal to E square upon R plus R whole square into R. Now we need to maximize this. We need to find out the maximum value of PR with R changing. So we differentiate this with respect to R. Therefore dPR upon dR is equal to, or rather we can just take this term and maximize this term to get the maximum value of PR. Therefore just differentiating this term, let me write it as ZR is equal to R upon R plus R whole square. If we maximize this, our job is done. D of ZR upon dR, this will be equal to R plus R whole square into derivative of R with respect to R, that is equal to 1, minus R times 2 into R plus R upon some denominator. Now we have to equate this term to be equal to 0, therefore we equate the numerator to be equal to 0. Therefore we get R square plus 2RR gets cancelled, minus 2R square equal to 0, that is R is equal to R, rather capital R is equal to small r. Therefore we now know that the power is maximum for the resistance equal to the internal resistance of the battery. Therefore our answer for this part is for what value of R? We get the value of R equal to small r, that is the internal resistance of the battery. Now for the second part, we know that PR is equal to E square R upon R plus R whole square. Now on analyzing this, we see that if you draw the graph for power PR with changing R, if capital R is equal to 0, then the power is 0. If capital R is infinite, this term gets cancelled and again the power becomes equal to 0, that is tending to 0. Therefore there must be a maxima in between. Here the power is 0, here also the power is 0, therefore there must be a maxima in between. The graph actually comes out something like this. Therefore we see that there are two values of R, that is R1 and R2, for which the power is same. Therefore we need to find out the relation between these two values of R1 and R2. For that we write E square R1 upon R1 plus R whole square, this is equal to E square R2 upon R2 plus R whole square. On solving this, we get R1 into R2 plus R whole square is equal to R2 into R1 plus R whole square. This gives us R1 into R2 square plus R1 into R square is equal to R2 into R1 square plus R2 into R square. The term 2R1 R2R gets cancelled. On solving this, we get R1 R2 minus R1 is equal to R square R2 minus R1. Now R1 and R2 are not equal, therefore we can cancel this term. Therefore R1 R2 is equal to R square. So this is the relation that we get, that the power obtained is same for R is equal to R1 and R is equal to R2. Then the relation between R1 and R2 will be R1 R2 is equal to small r whole square, where small r was the internal resistance of the battery. Another thing which you should remember is that the value of maximum power P max comes for capital R is equal to small r, and putting capital R is equal to small r over there, we get E square into R upon 4r square, that is equal to E square upon 4r. So we get the answer as the maximum value of power that can be obtained, this is equal to capital R also, the maximum value of power that can be obtained through a battery of internal resistance small r, and EMF E is equal to E square upon 4r, where R is the resistance of resistance which is attached to the circuit. So also remember this value of E square upon 4r, and thus we get all our final answers.